In the cozy living room, when daylight's low, Dad's DIY drum set is ready to go. Pots and pans line up in a row so neat. Babies wiggle toes to the rhythmic beat. Wooden spoons become drumsticks so fine, tapping out tunes that sparkle and shine. Dad's gentle smile leads the family band. Babies clap softly, giggling, we stand. The living room lights glow warm and bright as Dad's drum solo fills the night. A pot goes clap, a pan goes tish. Babies bounce happily, each with a wish. Every tap echoes in a joyful parade, swaying to music that Dad's hands made. Tiny hearts dance in the lull of the tune, dreaming of magic under the moon. Pots shimmer in the lamplights gleam, while Dad's DIY solo soars like a dream. Living room lights glow warm and bright as Dad's drum solo fills the night. A pot goes click, a pan goes tish. Babies bounce happily, each with a wish. Baby stomp softly on the rug so plush, feeling each beat in a hush, hush, rush. One final roll on a metal pot's rim. Babies cheer, big eyes shining not dim. The music fades with a satisfied grin. Dad's DIY drum solo ends, let bedtime begin. Living room